Welcome to my channel. Today I done some trades, so let me show you. This is NZUSD pair. Trend is downtrend, so always try to follow the trend as much as possible. So when I see here, there is a level and it's a reversal sign. After reversal sign, it has to be buyers, but again it's a sellers. So it shows that market wants to go down, and right side we can see a bullish movement. So again left side we can expect a momentum only, not a reversal. The reversal area is here, and this is my second trade. Here also you can see, this is the left side, we can see a momentum. So again right side we can expect a momentum only most of the time. Actually I wanted to place my trade here, but because of the strong momentum my trade was here, and it's a profitable only because of this strong bullish momentum. And if we see here, this is the downtrend, and here the market is not good. I waited for a long time here. So when the market broke this level and became a weak buyer's candle, and it next candle, it's a reversal sign, but the next candle was not a bullish candle. So again it's a seller, so and made a new low. So I placed here a lower option as per the major trend. If we see, as per the major trend, minor trend is uptrend. This is my third trade, and this is my fourth trade. Actually I thought because of this bullish momentum and because of this strong candle it may go down, but it became a buyer's candle. I waited here, I was new, because this strong momentum also it holds this price. So when I market closed exactly at the level, I got a sudden flash. When the market is holding this strong momentum, it can't able to hold a 1 minute here. So when again I see a bias, and it became a double top formation, double bottom. So I placed here a higher option. So always wait and search whether if it's a fully bearish momentum or bullish momentum. When the market exactly reverse or the same price and next candle will close there itself, there is a chance to enter a buyer. So wait and see. And if we see, I see a level also over here, and I will show you. See, this is the exact strong bullish momentum from this side. So only the price hold that this strong bearish momentum also. So always observe that one. And here you can see same, from this bearish momentum it holds this price, and it made a new weak bullish candle. Again next candle came exactly near to the level, and again buyers entered. When again sellers tried, I thought it will go down, but again buyers only entered. So again a buyers entered. So this is the consolidation area. It's common for losses. And if we see here, from this point strong sellers entry, and again from this point again strong sellers entry. From this point to this point it took around 20 minutes, but this point to this point it took around 1 hour. It's been a 1 hour to reach at the same price. So it shows that market is very strong at this price. Sellers are very strong at this price. So when market enter this price, we have to see with confirmation we can enter a seller's candle. So I placed here a lower option. So it's a profitable trade. And this is my, this is the downtrend, complete downtrend. So I lost here. I thought it will go down, but here again a buyer center, and again sellers wanted to continue it like this pattern. So I thought it will continue. After this doja I thought a buyers may enter, but when again sellers entered, it shows that market wants to continue the move trend as per this trend. So again I placed here a lower option, and this is minor uptrend. This market is also not good because of this long wicks and doji candlesticks. So when I see the market is moving like this, I see it made a new high and the seller's area is still far. The sellers area is still far and I saw a bullish momentum. Sellers are entering from this point. So I went with bullish momentum. So again it's a profit for me. So always try to follow the trend and as well as try to search for some trendy market. Not like this. This is the band market. We can't able to do here. If we see here, if you see people see here, you can able to trade here because it moving in one complete direction. If it goes up and again if you see any three candles and there is a chances to enter again a sellers on the bearish momentum. So always search for that and around 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 4 4 8 around 8 trade I lost one trade. Actually I lost some 3 trades something. See here I lost around 3 to 4 trades. This is all the profit of today. If you losses are common, when you see a loss again next candle don't trade. See here I that's why I even me also lose for that one. When I lose some trade, immediately I try to take one more trade. That makes me like some wrong entry or some wrong information. Already we done some wrong information and we got some wrong entry. Again next candle also we will enter as a wrong information and we will get wrong entry only. So always try to avoid like this one. When you lose, it's okay. Take some time. Later you can enter some good trade. So thank you for watching my video.